Automated Industrial Motion. AIM, located in Muskegon, Michigan, specializes in manufacturing of computerized spring coilers. 7 models cover a wire range of 1.5 thousandths to 5/16ths of an inch. Our new high-performance coilers now feature a programmable servo cutoff, resulting in extremely high production rates. Rings with a small feed length can reach speeds of up to 60,000 parts per hour, which is an equivalent to 17 cuts per second. Speeds are generally 2 to 4 times faster than conventional coilers. One high-speed coiler has the flexibility to produce compression springs and torsion springs, as well as complex wire forms. Coilers are available in 4, 5, and 6 axes that include feed, diameter, torsion, point, pitch, and cutter. Compression springs require 4 axes, torsion springs require 5 axes, and complex springs and wire forms require 6 axes. AIM CNC coilers are controlled with an industrial PC housed in an air-conditioned enclosure. Floppy disks and CD drives are available for ease of loading software and for making backups. Windows-based software with an industrial touch screen are standard on all coilers. The operator interface screen includes 5 simple pages: General, Step, Run, Miscellaneous, and Diagnostic. The General screen consists of customer, parts, and setup information. Screen information automatically converts from English to metric. The Step screen allows the operator to modify part programs and update information on the fly. With AIM software, basic compression springs only require 5 steps. The Run or Operating screen features total parts, production countdown, pounds of material required, and production yields. The Miscellaneous screen features 12 programmable outputs and 6 inputs available for integrating auxiliary equipment such as gauges, derailleurs, sensors, and more. Your Diagnostic screen allows the operator to quickly and easily identify faulted equipment like derailleurs. With the new Parts Wizard, programs are written automatically. Simply input key spring characteristics like diameter, length, and number of coils, and the Parts Wizard automatically develops a program. Plus, AIM equipment features a modem interface for efficient service and customer support. Your machine can actually be updated, programmed, or controlled off-site by an AIM service technician. AIM's exclusive Durabond slides are featured on all tooling axes. This is the same technology that has revolutionized product quality on mechanical spring coilers. AIM coilers accept industry-standard tooling used on mechanical coilers. Tooling including feed rolls, wire guides, arbors, pitch tools, block guides, and coiling points can all be used on AIM equipment. AIM has, however, designed square chucks into our equipment for precise, repeatable locations. Separate clamps on the chuck and arbor permit easy removal of the chuck without sacrificing tool position. Inline planetary gear reducers are featured on the feed and cutter axes, provide high torque with the lowest possible inertia. The timing belt on the feed axis results in a much lower backlash than conventional gear-to-gear designs. High-precision linear actuators are featured on all tooling axes. True XY linear motion on our tooling axes eliminates pivot points that wear and cause variation over time. Remote pitch and feed roll clamp switches are positioned on the operator interface so that no mechanical adjustments are required inside of the machine. AIM equipment is cassette tooling compatible. Square chucks and arbors allow for convenient, repeatable location. Tooling locates the same from one setup to the next, making repeat setups fast and efficient. Machine and part home sequences are featured for convenient setup and part changeovers. So what does this mean to the customer? It means machine accuracy, production rates, and part quality that is unsurpassed in the industry. It means coilers that operate at rates of up to 60,000 cuts per hour, depending on the amount of wire in the part, and production rates that are 2 to 4 times faster than conventional coilers. Demo software is available for preview and is advantageous for training and offline programming. Plus, AIM's equipment is backed by our proven service and support, and AIM's knowledgeable staff of engineers, machinists, and spring makers. AIM, Automated Industrial Motion. Tomorrow's production performance today.